Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I recreated the tutorial Rihanna did in her tutorial Tuesdays a couple weeks ago, I think 2 weeks ago. So I really liked the look that she did. I thought it was really simple but still like really glamorous, put together. She does that to you, you know. I already had a couple of things, but I went to the drugstore to get a few things that I was missing to complete the look. I think I came like pretty close to what she did in her tutorial. So yeah, so I'm going to show you all the products, everything that I used and how I used it, and so you guys can get the look also, because I just want to show you guys that I know sometimes like we're on a budget or something like that and you always think, oh, I don't have that product so I can't really do the same thing. But you guys, like, look at me right now. Don't I look like her? No, I don't look like her, I know. So if you guys want to see everything that I use in this tutorial, you guys want to see how I used it and how I got the look that she did a couple weeks ago in her tutorial Tuesday. If you guys want to see what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys know what I'm talking about. And yeah, just stick around and watch the video, guys. Okay, so we can get started with the tutorial. I already have my base, as you can see. We're only really gonna do the step that she did in her tutorial. And my hair is done. My hair is not curly like hers because, I don't know, I didn't feel like curling it. I have my jewelry, I have my black top, I guess. I don't know what she was really wearing. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing she does is put a liquid lip paint, which is called Uninvited. So I went to the drugstore because I didn't have any black lipsticks lying around here, like, let's be real. And also the fact that it's a black lipstick, I find like you won't necessarily put it all the time. So that's why I'm like, you know what, let me do this tutorial but on a budget. So I went to the drugstore and honestly there's not a lot. The one that I could find was by Rimmel, is the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is the color Pitch Black. It's a really black liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if it's as black as hers because I don't have hers, but honestly it's just a dupe, something you can find at the drugstore. Since we don't use black lipstick every day, I thought you guys can always go to the drugstore and get this one. This one was only, I think regular price is $10 Canadian, but I got it on sale for $6.99 plus tax. So yeah, so first we're gonna do the liquid lipstick. This one is a bit streaky, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wait for it to set and I'm gonna put on a second layer. So this is what it looks like with a second layer. So it's really nice. It's really matte also. I think it looks really good. So next, we're just gonna do the crease. She used her palette and she used like a warm brown color. So I'm not gonna use the exact same color, of course. So what I have is the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. So I'm gonna use like this shade here and transition color together. Keep in mind that I don't have the same skin tone as her. You want to find something that's brown but like it's gonna look like warm on you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my blending brush, I'm gonna take this shade here and this shade here and I'm gonna put it in the crease. So you want it to look something like this. So next I'm gonna use a black liner. So I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible, the super slim one. This. So I'm gonna do a really thin liner. So what she does, she goes a bit like more straight like this and then she fills it in so it's like really small. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so this is what it should look like. So next she does her blush. Honestly, I don't really have a blush to show you guys because I don't use cream blushes. I don't like it. I do have an option though. I have my NYX blush in the color Terracotta. Basically, if you have any blush that's like peach or anything like that, even like I had a lipstick, you can always just dab it on if you want. So I'm just gonna use this one. I don't wear blush often, so maybe that's why I'm not really like, I don't really have anything to show you guys. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Just put a little bit on her nose also. So this is what it looks like. So next, she has her silver highlight, which honestly, if you take it, it's not bad because actually I think most of the proceeds or all of them go to a donation. So it's really, really good. I don't have any highlight that's silver. I do have one that's like white, but it's more iron. So what you can do is, you know those palettes sometimes, like I have this one, the Cinnamon palette by Maybelline. Some of them, they always have like those shadow colors that are like too light for you or anything like that. Like this one is actually kind of whitish with a silver base. I'm gonna swatch it for you because on me it does look silver. Her is more gray, but this is, I found this one was really a good option. Or sometimes depending on your skin tone, like I even have a shade in this one, like the shade right here. It's actually kind of beige, has a beige undertone, but on me it looks really similar to that other shade. So me, I'm gonna use the Cinnamon palette, and this one is Urban Junkles. It's a green one, so I'm gonna use this shadow here. Yeah, so she uses it in her inner corner here. So I'm just gonna take like a shadow brush. I'm gonna add a little bit by a little bit because it is really pigmented. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna put any lashes because she didn't have any lashes, but honestly it will look bomb with lashes. But I'm just gonna let it like this, like that. Yeah, so that's it. This is the look. This is what you end up with. This is what I came up with. So you see, like it's really, really similar to what she has. It's just like I find her lids were kind of glossy, and also her like a highlight has like that almost like purple undertone. So that's only the big difference really. Also, honestly, if you're looking for something like a dupe, you can always go with this Stay Matte liquid lipstick by Rimmel. I find it works really, really well. Also, of course, it's not the same quality. Like you guys saw, I had to put 2 layers to get it this intense. And if you want it more glossy, you can always put a bit of like lip gloss on top. It's really up to you, but at the end of the day, I mean, I find I'm pretty close to what she accomplished in her tutorial, so I'm really happy about that. And also it was on a budget, so if you guys are on a budget, don't think that you can get the look because I just did. So that's it, you guys. So thank you for everybody who comments, like, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next week in my next video, guys. Bye.